Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about cluster insider trading in US, a report that I do constantly. I also do Canadian as well. But this one, I found a very nice pick, a biotech company, and remember that I use computer to generate these reports. I have all the data and I gather out this data. I put in a report showing price information, showing insider trading activity. This way we can find investment opportunities that we can jump in and hopefully get very good results. And biotech, by the way, is a pretty good sector. You just have to be careful when we're talking about penny stocks or small cap stocks. And this is the cluster insider trading report that I generated this week. Has the latest information here. The company I would like to show you is this, Verrica Pharmaceuticals. You see a lot of insider trading activity here. 5 insider trading buys in the last 3 months. This report is based on the last 3 months. I only show companies with cluster insider trading activity, which means multiple insiders buying the company and no selling in the last 3 months. We see here the stock price is $8.86. There is a target price of 17.5. The company actually went to $18 recently because there was a drug to be approved in July. They didn't get approval. They got a response letter, and that's a good opportunity because the stock comes down and they're going to request a type A meeting. We expect in the next few months a couple of catalysts, not only for this drug but for other ones. We expect the type A meeting with FDA for this drug. We expect this drug to be submitted to or resubmitted to FDA, and we expect the drug to be hopefully approved. All of these are catalysts for this company, for this stock. Just to show you some of the other companies here in my report. I'm not going to talk about them. I'm going to focus on this company, Verrica Pharmaceuticals. So let's move on. I have this article that talks about Verrica Pharmaceuticals because when investing in biotech and small caps, penny stocks, you have to be careful about a couple of different things that I'm going to mention here. One thing is about catalysts. So as I mentioned, the specific drug which we're going to be looking at, which is this one, was submitted to NGA for FDA approval, was not approved. They're going to request a type A meeting. All of these are catalysts. And they enter into option agreement with this pharmaceutical company. So that's pretty good in Japan. So for this drug here. And all of these means catalysts and cash for the company as well. So this article is pretty good, pretty detailed. The option agreement details here, which I'm not going to go over, but you can look at here. So recently they reported the second quarter financial results, and in there, what's really important, the net loss is all of that's not important because it's a small cap stock, still doesn't have revenue. So basically we invest because these companies, they have a lot of ups and downs. We just buy low and sell high. That's the objective. And what's important is the cash that they have, which is about $79.6 million. So the company believes to be enough for support the operations until the fourth quarter of 2021. So that's good because we don't expect the company to be raising cash and things like that, which usually and always, I would say, the stock price comes down and we don't want to be caught up in that situation. So as we see, we have catalysts where the company has cash. It's a good entry point. There's a lot of insider trading by activity, a lot of catalysts in terms of drugs. So it's a pretty good, including a pretty good time to invest in this company. So some of the details about the financial results here. So we jump into the company website. So what's Verrica Pharmaceutical? What do? They have drugs for dermatological diseases. And we see the drugs here. So this is just one of the pipelines. I'm going to go over the other ones. So 3 drugs in here. That's the one they submitted for FDA approval. Was not approved. And they're going to request a type A meeting. So this one, there's a great potential that the drug is going to be approved. The details why the drug was not approved is not related to any safety concerns. But that's pretty good. So there's a great chance the drug is going to be approved next. Plus you have all the other catalysts. So we jump into the other pipeline. There is also this drug on phase 1. And there is another one here on phase 1 as well. And that's related to skin cancer. So that's pretty good. In terms of stock, see the market cap here, $228 million. There is a target price of 17.5. Price right now is sitting at 8.87. You see that not too long ago was around $6. So it would be nice if we could wait and see it come down. But insiders were buying around these levels, including $9, $8, probably less than this as well. We see before FDA approval how it went all the way to $15. So before that, you see price keeps going up. Because it was not approved, it came down. And now, we don't know. It can come down a little bit more, but I find it's already a good price right now. I haven't bought anything. I'm still looking. If it comes down, I'm probably going to buy some shares, but at this point, I'm more like looking. You see 50-week range from $6 to $18. So right now, you have at least a double potential. It can go higher than $18 with all of these catalysts. This company, sometimes you have to wait a couple of months. Sometimes it can be quick for the stock price to go up, but it all depends on the catalysts. I will continue looking at these and some other companies using insider trading activity, hedge fund buying activity, 13F reports, and many other things using computer reports to bring you a lot of picks, interesting picks, nice opportunities. Hopefully you like. Please give your like. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.